In this short video, I'll guide you through how to get a refund on Temu without returning the item. If you've ever faced the hassle of processing a refund and are worried about the stress of sending items back, this tutorial will change the game for you. Imagine solving this problem with just a few taps on your phone, saving time, effort, and money. Many users have already discovered how easy it is and are enjoying a smoother shopping experience. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including getting refunds on Temu efficiently. Stay with me until the end to discover how to contact Temu customer service to help you further. Now, let's get started on how to get refund on Temu without returning. To start, open your Temu app and ensure you're logged into the account used for your purchase. At the bottom of your screen, tap the U option. Next, locate and tap Customer Support or the headphone icon. Once there, select Contact Us. In the text box, type your request, for example, "Can I get a refund?" You'll then be prompted to select the order you need help with. After selecting the relevant order, choose the reason for your refund request, such as a damaged or defective item, wrong item received, or missing items. If applicable, upload clear photos or videos as evidence. Once you've provided all the details, submit your request. Temu's team will review your case, and if it meets the criteria for refunds without returns, you'll receive your refund within 48 hours. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's dive into a few keynotes. In some cases, Temu may request the item be returned, even if it initially meets refund criteria. Always check Temu's refund policy for the latest guidelines. If you have any concerns or questions, you can contact Temu customer service for assistance. In this video link here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to contact the Temu customer desk. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Temu video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.